Inkedjoy is a print-on-demand dropshipping platform that provides merchants with services such as product customization, production, branding, warehousing, and order fulfillment. Inkedjoy has a wide collection of product categories, such as clothes, shoes, household products, pet products, etc. All the products are at very competitive prices. Inkedjoy provides a large number of high-quality elements for you to use for free. The powerful customizer allows you to customize your products in bulk and modify your designs in real time. After you're designing, you can push the products to your store. You can integrate your Shopify, Etsy, Amazon or WooCommerce store with Inkedjoy with just a few clicks. Without holding any inventory, all you need to do is pay attention to marketing your store after pushing the products. Once you make sales, the order will be automatically synced to Inkedjoy. Once the payment is received, Inkedjoy will fulfill the orders. Inkedjoy also provides branding services. You can customize label, hangtag, packing bag, gift card and scotch tape. Your customers will receive products with your brand or store information, which will enhance the brand awareness and increase repurchases. Thank you for using Inkedjoy. We hope your business prospers even more.